So we need to make the same number on the bottom to compare them, because right now we can't compare. So how do we make the same number on the bottom? That's called lowest common denominator.
Would be
LCD, which is the same thing as the lowest common multiple. You've heard of lowest common multiple before. So what's the lowest common multiple of 25 and 10? Start by writing out the multiples of each number. Multiples of 25. We could keep going, but I'm going to stop there because I know one of these numbers is the one we want already. Next, we do the lowest common multiples of
10.
So let's start with 10.
10, 20,
20,
30,
30,
40, 50, 60, 70, 80.
and so on. I can stop already. Why can I stop? Because I have a common number here. These are common
50.
multiples. So these are the first common numbers, the lowest common multiples in my set. So that's how you find a lowest common denominator.
Oh. The lowest common denominator would be 50.
Yeah, so we use that. So we know our denominator now has to be 50 for each one. And when it's the same, then that will compare nicely. What do we have to do still? So we have to convert the tops. And the rule is whatever you multiply to the bottom, you multiply to the top. So we multiplied 25 times 2 to give us our 50 on the bottom. 25 times 2 is 50.
And we multiplied 10 by 5.
Good. And we multiplied 10 by 5 to give us 50. So that tells us what we need to multiply the top by. We need to multiply times 2. We'll do that here. I know. So we have to do 16 times 2 here. So we have 32 over 50. And we're going to compare that to the other one once we change the numerator on it. So what do? We had to multiply the bottom by 5, so that means we got to multiply the top by 5 to give us our numerator. 7 times 5 is 35. So we compare these two now because now they have the same denominator.
And the greatest one is 35 over 50.
Right. So we can see 35 over 50 is greater than 32 over 50.
Yep.
That means 7/10 is greater than 16/25.